Okay, so it's a day 21, and today we are going to see a simple problem, and then important topic is recursion. Okay, so today goal is simple problem to check the frequency of each character in string. Okay, and another is recursion. Okay, let's with our first thing, this one. Okay, so okay. WAP means those who already know programming. WAP means in chat, guys. WAP means write a program. Okay, write a program. Okay, so we need to write a program to find. Okay, example example is if we have str equals to, just take this. Okay, okay, and I need output of, okay, output output should be object with, like, how many times a come, comma, b, comma, c. Okay, like a comes for 10 times, b came for 0 times, sorry, 0, not 0, it should not 0, might be for twice, c for 5 times. Okay, a b c d, what we have r for 10 6 times. Okay, this kind of. Okay, we not going we are going to directly count. Okay, okay. Understand everyone what is the problem? What is the problem? What is the problem? Today's problem. What is today's problem? Write a program to check the frequency of each character in a string. Okay, okay, okay. Got it? Anyone have any question with this question? Like, anyone have doubt with this question? Like what it is? Okay. Can we directly start with the solving problem? Okay. So, so we need to find the frequency. We need to find the frequency. So we need iteration. We need iteration. And for iteration, what we have in JavaScript, for loop, correct? For loop, correct, correct, correct. So the first thing we hit with the for loop, like what we have to do, we have to traverse recursively. We have to traverse recursively each by each with each character, correct, correct. And we have to find the, and then we need to find the counting. Then we need to find the counting, correct, correct. And what we can do, one thing, we can, yes, correct, for loop. Uh, we can, again, we can do one thing. We can just directly sort and then check frequency. Correct, correct. And other thing we can do. Okay, this thing, only the two things in my mind. Like, any suggestion from your end, guys? Any suggestion from your end? How we can resolve this question? How can we resolve this question? This question asked like every big, most, like, what you say, the FANG company, mid-sized companies, they ask this question or similar question. Okay, अकेला हूँ क्या मैं आज? बताओ भाई, कोई क्वेश्चन कुछ? Okay, so we have option for a for loop. Okay, what if I create for loop and iterate and create a variable outside? Let Okay, what is character? If I create character, then travel to each element count. Correct. Okay, character. Then length. I need length, and what I need? I need count. Okay. If I start iteration from here, let's start. Sorry. If I start iteration from here, 1 second, guys. Okay. That's enough. Okay. I just notation once. Start here. Okay. If I start iteration from here, if I start iteration from here, so first character is F. First character is F. Okay. Okay. First character is F. Then R. Then Q. Then E. Then N. C. Y. So if I start with a F and then check all the string is F present or not. If I got the F present, then I count plus plus. Okay, then I can do count plus plus. And similarly with the R, similar with the A, similar with the C. Correct? 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 We can do nested for loop. We can do with the nested for loop. Correct? We can do with the nested for loop. So let's just write nested for loop. Okay? Just write nested for loop. Okay. Or let I equals to 0. Okay, we need length. So let's take this as an example. Let okay, str dot length I plus plus. Okay, inside this character, let character. What is the character we have? We have str of I is our character, first character. Correct, correct. It's our first character. Correct. And after that, we are creating second for loop for let j equals to 0 or j equals to I. J equals to I plus 1 because we already have character. Okay, j is less than j is less than str dot length. Okay, and j plus plus. Correct. Then if if okay, let's just create first. We need let answer in form of object because we did you notice the object? Okay, we created object and count here. Where here. Let count. Why inside count? Because I need to reset on every character change. When my character get changed, my counter should be get reset. Okay. Then if 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 character equals to just try it. Next let next character. What is the next character? str of j because we do I plus one already. We do already I plus one. Okay. So it's always run I plus one. Correct. Okay. Okay. If character equals to next next character next char. Then what we do? We do count plus plus count plus plus. Okay. Okay. Every character at least present for a one. Like count one. Every character. Okay. Okay. And then if it's then it will get ended. We got our count. So we add answer, sorry, answer of character, okay, equals to answer of character equals to answer of character equals to count. Let's see our answer. Console.log ns answer or result. Right answer. Okay. Okay. So what we do here? Okay. What things are we made? Look exceeded iteration. Okay, with something like okay, this one. I is less than. Okay. Oh man, document. Okay. Okay. Anyone have any doubt with what I written here? Anyone have any doubt? Anyone have any doubt? Anyone have any doubt? What I written here? Yes, no. Everyone is smart here. Not understanding. Correct. Okay. 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 So what we did here? What we did? Okay. We need to find. हाँ करेक्ट करेक्ट कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा करेक्ट करेक्ट कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा करेक्ट इसीलिए प्रोग्राम है ना ठीक है स्टेप बाय स्टेप जाएंगे ठीक है स्टेप बाय स्टेप जाएंगे हमें क्या करना है व्हाट इज अ प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट व्हाट इज अ प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट टू वे कम्युनिकेशन रखेंगे तो मुझे समझ में आएगा कि आपको समझ रहा है नहीं समझ रहा है मुझे आगे जाना है कि नहीं जाना है ठीक है व्हाट इज अ प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट वी नीड टू फाइंड वी नीड टू फाइंड फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ अ कैरेक्टर फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ अ कैरेक्टर ओके मैं आपको आउटपुट दिखा देता हूँ हमें क्या चाहिए है ना पहले आउटपुट दिखा देता हूँ ये सही रहेगा है ना क्या चाहिए हमें डिड यू सी डिड यू सी आउटपुट डिड यू सी आउटपुट ओके थोड़ा सा डेकोरेट कर देते इसको हम थोड़ा सा डेकोरेट करते कैसे करेंगे हम हमारे str को भी प्रिंट करेंगे समझाओगा समझाओगा बस जस्ट वेट ओके जस्ट वेट end of the class you will able to write this kind of program okay this is a string this is a string and we have to find the okay every character is comes for like its frequency is only one is it r is twice then why it's not get I plus plus okay method is wrong method is wrong might be method is wrong right the approach is wrong okay okay approach is wrong but still I like to explain you what I did here okay approach is wrong okay because there is another best good approach but yeah so I write a a a nested for loop what is a nested for loop inside for loop inside for loop what is a nested for loop inside for loop okay for loop inside for loop so how do I explain you okay yeah so look what I did here what I did here what I did here I wanted to find out the frequency of a character. I wanted to find out the frequency of a character. So I came here. One second. I came here. Okay. Wait, where it is, where it is, where it is. This one. And how to get the size. Okay, yes. Okay. So, so what we first come here, first came here, then, then checking all the character R E, Q, E, and C, Y. Is it equals to F or not? Is it equals to F or not? Checking every character, every character, every character, every character. And when I found, then I increase count. Then I increase count. Similarly, then I come with R. Then I come with R. Okay. Can you notice? Can you notice what this for loop first for loop do? Just notice what first for loop do. Just notice first for loop what first for loop doing. Okay, it's doing only recurs every each and single element, each and single character. It's traverse each and every single element. Correct, correct, correct. I equals to 0. Start with a 0 means 0th index. Then till the length of a string, which is the length of a string, and I plus plus in every iteration it change. Okay, okay, okay. First for loop. Understand everyone? First for loop. Why we written first for loop? As of now, just forget this. Forget this. Okay, as of now, first for loop. Everyone understand first for loop? Why we written? Okay, okay, okay. Then, it's, I don't know why it's, mm, okay, okay, okay. Fair. So, first for loop, everyone, first for loop. Did you get it? First for loop. Did everyone get the first for loop? Did everyone get the first for loop? Did everyone get the first for loop? Everyone? Everyone got the first for loop? Okay. So, yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. So what I did inside that for loop, I created another for loop. I created another for loop. Why? Why did I create another for loop? Because I need to iterate again. Like first for the first f, I need to traverse whole remaining, whole remaining, whole remaining characters. Okay, whole remaining characters. For the second character, I again need to iterate, and for again next character, I need to iterate again. For the another character, I need to iterate again. For another character, I need to iterate again because I need to check. Okay, okay. Why we using count? Why we using count? Because we are writing a program to find the count of a character. Found the count of a character. How many times a character occurred inside this string? Inside this string inside this string. What is the problem? Write a program to check the frequency of each character in a string. Okay, each character in a string. Frequency of each character in a string. Okay, okay. I have to change the color. It might be okay or green. Okay, 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 okay. So inside for loop, I have created another for loop. Inside for loop, I have created another for loop. Okay, okay. Okay, those don't understand, let it be, let it be. Those understand is good for you. Okay, 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 okay. So let's go with the another approach. Let's go with the another easiest approach. Easiest approach. Okay, go with the another and easiest approach. Okay, I just wanted to clarify. Do you understand the problem statement? First of all, and first thing, do you understand the problem statement? I want everyone answer yes, no, yes, no. Then don't ask me the question if you don't understand after I started the program. No. Okay, no. Okay. Okay. What is a program? What is a problem statement? What is a problem statement? Okay. Dave didn't get it. Others. Anyone have any like don't understand? Okay. What is our question? What is our question? What if we have okay, Manoj don't understand. Okay. What if what if we have what if we have character name Manoj. Okay. Manoj Oval. Okay. Okay. What is the problem statement? We need to find Manoj So how many time M is occurred here? One time. How many of time A occurred? Twice. How many times of N occurred? Once. Okay. How many time of O occurred? Two. How many time of Y occurred? Once. How many time of V occurred? Once. How many time of N? Okay, we already written N. Okay, then A, we already written A. Then C. We don't have C, we have L. Okay, we have L. So it's one time. Now, did you get it? Rushti, Manoj, Deep, get it, problem statement, get it, problem statement, or not, get it, yeah, yeah, okay, okay. So, okay, so, so for that we are writing a program. For that we are writing a program. Okay. So first of all, we need character. So I just take this example string. Okay. Or let's just take a random string, something kind of. I'll just take this random string. Okay. That was that might be good. Okay. Okay. Random string. Okay. And then let result result should be in form of object. Did you notice? We need result in a form of object. Okay. Or what, let it be, we just want the print. Okay, let it be, we just want the print. Okay, console, we want only console. Like what kind of, a for a times, and sorry, not equals to, a for a times 10 times, and then uh, b for 20 times, kind of. Okay, 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 okay. Write it right like that. Okay, okay. So 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 we need to iterate, but while iterate we need to capture. Okay, so we have object have a characteristics. If you don't have value inside, like if I wanted to access anything inside object, if I access want to access anything inside the object, if I try to access anything inside the object which is not present, it will return undefined. It will return undefined. Correct, correct or not, correct or not, correct or not. If here if I wanted to access console dot log result dot what is name, is it going to print, is it going to give us a value? No, no. Is it? No, no. Why why Because it is not present there, it is not present there. Is it? It is not present there. Okay. And while updating, if I wanted to update, like I have name here, I have name. Okay, and I have age. I don't have age, but I try to update age. Okay, name dot age, name dot age. Okay, and I added 25. Okay, name dot age 25. What happened here? What kind of what we say result we will get here? Yes, correct, correct. Because name is not declared. Because name is not declared inside. Not declared. It's created. Okay, declaration for the variable only. Okay, and we already declared our object. Okay, so what will have what this name dot age equals to, sorry, result dot age, not a name. Result dot age equals to 25, result dot age equals to 25, and what will happen? It's created one, it's get created one. This is object behavior, so we are using that object behavior power here. We are using that object behavior. We are going to say only let I equals to 0, I is less than str dot len. Okay, and I plus plus. This iteration we need to write. Correct, this iteration we need to write. Okay, 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 everything is perfect. I equals to 0, I is less than str alien gth length. Okay, okay, let's just write the console. Let's just write let character equals to str of I. Let's console dot log. Okay, console dot log character, console dot log character. Let's see the output. Did you see characters? Did you see characters? Where it is? Okay. Did you see characters? Random string generator. Did you see each character? Did you see we have access of each character now? We have access of each character now. Okay. Okay. Next step, what we do? Next step, what we do? We do, we do, we collect those character inside our object. We collect those character inside that object. How? Nothing. Just what I do, I will just create a key, character key itself. How? Just result, sorry, result, where is the result? Okay, result, and we have operator, square operator inside that character, inside that character. Those are not understanding, guys. You didn't write a single code for a object. Character, character, and and its value, and its value 1 or 0, or let's see 0, and its value 0, 0. And what if I write console dot log result? What should be our result? What should be our output? 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 Let's see. Guys, go and do it by yourself until and unless you didn't understand a single line of code. If you don't know object behavior, you won't able to understand this code here too. Okay, did you see? I have each character. If it's repeating, it gets replaced. It get replaced. Correct? So I have unique characters. Did you see? I have unique characters. I have all unique characters. Okay, did you notice case sensitive here? Did you notice case sensitive here? So we need to first of all make that string into smaller case or uppercase, anything. You can do anything. But I like to do with uppercase. Okay. Let new string or lower string equals to, or I can directly write string one equals to str dot to lower case. Okay, what is the spelling? Okay, yeah, to lower case. Okay, and we are going to use that str here. Okay, where here. Okay, here also. Okay, okay, and where we can use. Okay, okay, it's same. str. Okay, everything is same. Correct, correct. Now let's check again. Let's check again. Let's check again how we handle. Did we handle the character? Okay. Yeah, it get handled. Correct. Correct. Everything in small case. Everything in small case. And their occurrence, each of occurrence is for once only. Can you see? A only once. T only once. Okay. 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 Then we add the counting. Then we add the counting. How do we add the counting? How do we add the counting? How do we add the counting? Nothing. We just check. We just check. We are just using the object power. We are just going to use the object power here. Okay, object have the functionality if the if your what is it key is not present, then they add the key, and if the key is already present, then it will update the key. It will update the key. I just write the example. I just write the example before. If we have name inside our object, if we have name inside the object and we wanted to change update that name, it will get updated. And if age is not present and I try to update the age, it will get created. Correct? I just want to, I will show you again. Okay, here, here, here. Okay, here it is. Sorry. Okay, I have object, I have a name. Okay, ABC and comma separated, and I have just this is this only object I have. If I try to access, if I try to update, okay, okay. Let's say obj. Okay, if I try to obj of name. Okay, okay, I need to do somewhere. Okay, here I can do here. Okay, if I try to update obj of obj of name, obj of name equals to it's abc and xyz, it will get update. Correct, correct. Anyone any doubt here? Okay, and if I try to add object of age 25, it will get added. It will get added again. Obj of age equals to 30, it will get update again. And if I try to obj of city Mumbai, it will get add again. Okay, so how many keys we have now inside object after this? Name, age. What was the age? Age is 30 because we updated. And then city Mumbai. Correct, correct, correct. Anyone have any doubt in here? Because I'm doing nothing new. It's like we learned 10 days before. Anyone have any doubt here? No? Okay, someone have? No? Okay, no, no. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, just let me delete this one. Okay, so similarly, what I did here, I have created a new object. I have created the new empty object, and inside that object, I'm using that object characteristic power. What is? I just create a new key and add the value 0. If it's already, if it's already present, still it's not get updated, and if it's not present, it will get created. That's why I got this result. That's why I got that result. That's why I got this result. Okay, I have each character access. You can see I have just extracted every unique character from the string. Every unique character from the string, from this string, from this string. Where it is? Yeah, I have access each and every unique character. If anyone asks you to write a program to access the unique character from this, that is the problem. That is the solution. You can access the each and every character, and you can, and then again you can iterate with that for what is the object, and then you will access the characters. Okay, so one thing we learn, we already access the each and every single character. Now we want that counting. If a present for a twice, third time, three times, four times. Okay. So for that, I write if, 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 okay, I'll show you console. Okay. And if, okay, one thing for object, I forget to tell you. For one thing for object, I forget to tell you what we have object here. What we have object here obj equals to, we have object here and we don't have any value. And if I try to access console, I try to console. Okay, okay, what we say, I called it CLG. Okay, console. I try to console. What will happen? What will happen if I try to console obj of name, obj of name? What will return? What it will be return? It will return undefined. It will return undefined. We already see it will return undefined. It will return undefined. Correct, correct. The If the value is not present and I try to access, I try to console, it will return undefined. Okay, remember that, or just try to recall that, what you say, the functionality of object. Okay, so I'm using that functionality. If result object, okay, result object of character equals to undefined, if it's undefined. Okay, I'll show you. I'll show you. I didn't create this one first and directly try to access. I try to direct access. Console. Okay. We also remove this one. Console.log. Console.log is the result of character. Result of character. Okay. This character. Okay. Result of character means each character. Okay. What will we get in output? What will we get in output? What will we get in output? Okay, where it is. I need to refresh again. Just remove this one. Refresh. You see, console is not defined. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Now it will. Did you see undefined 23 times? Undefined 23 times. Did you see? Did you see? Did you see? And it's our result empty object. Okay. Undefined 23 times. Okay. So means it's undefined. So I'm using this power. Just writing if equals to undefined. Undefined. Then what it should do? What it should do? Just create just create a new character. What is result? Okay, result of sorry, twice. Result equals to zero. Equals to zero. And else if present, if it's present, if it's present, else if it's present, what will do? What will do? What will do? Increase count, increase its count, increase its counts. Okay, then we will create plus plus. That's it. That's it. No, it's not one. Okay, it's one. Okay, sorry. It's one. Correct. It's one. Correct. Correct. It should be one. It should be one. Okay, because it's present for one time only. Okay. And then we will increase this count. Anyone have any doubt with this program? Anyone have any doubt with this program? It's a very small program, but very powerful program. You can use that problem to find or solve, resolve like 10 to 20 problems which is connected with it. Okay. Just understand this problem. What happening here? We are using the power of object. Object if it's not if you wanted to access the object value or what we say the key, if it's not present it will throw undefined, so I'm using that power. If it's undefined then create one. If it's undefined then create one with the value of one. Okay, it's a key, it's a key. Result of character is a key, result of character is a key. Okay, what is a character here? It this one, this one, and the result of character means I try to access, I try to access result of R, result of R. I try to see, but is it present or not? No, it's not present. So it will create one. If it's not present, it will create with the value of one. And if it's present, if my this block get not executed, like it's throw false and not get ignored, then else. If it's present, then just increase its count. I'm just accessing, correct? 1 to 23 print numbers. 1 to 23 print numbers. 1 to 23. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what we have answer. Let's see what we have answer. Hmm. Okay, did you see? Did you see? I have answer. Did you see? R four times, I one time, A twice. Okay, it's sorted in sorted format. T for twice. Okay, let's see. T is for like T present for twice or not. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Okay. I just console.log string. Okay. Answer new. Okay, only string one. Okay. Let's just refresh this one. Let's just came here. Okay. I wanted to show. Oh, I write something. Character equals to define. Okay, I deleted that one. Did I? Did I? Correct. This one is correct. It's correct. Correct. Okay, what is error? String one here console. Okay, I didn't write console properly. I don't know why I'm not getting for console. Okay, okay. There it is answer. Okay, okay. Undefined. Okay, it's a, it's a, it's a string. It's a string. Okay, random string generator. Okay, so as our result, we have as our result. Okay, just let me clean up. Just let me clean up. Where did I write the console again? Here. There is another console again. Okay, we don't have. Okay, now it will fun to see the output. Okay, where it is here. Okay, it's our string and it's our output. What is random string? Okay, so T occurs for twice. Okay, see one, then two. Okay, then three. Oh, it's three. It's three. That means we return something. That will return something mystery. Okay, it's not. It's not. Okay, it's not. It's just a console. Okay, it's not. It's just a console. Okay, I need to update. It's creating something messy. Okay, now you can see properly. Now you can see properly. Okay, so we have this string and this output. Okay, T for twice. Okay, this and this. Okay, R occur for four times. Let's see. First, second, third, fourth. It's correct. Okay, it's correct. Then again, N for three times. One, then two. Okay, N, and then three. Okay, we have three tens. Okay, anyone have any doubt with this program? Okay, anyone have any problem? Yeah, Deep. Okay, I'm just letting you unmute yourself. Okay, 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 okay. Where it is. Okay, yeah, you can unmute yourself. ओके कौन सा मैंने कंसोल को रिमूव किया ओके हाँ यहाँ से मैंने कंसोल रिमूव किया करेक्ट मैंने यहाँ से कंसोल इसलिए लिखा था कि आपको समझ में आए कि कैरेक्टर क्या है यहाँ पर कैरेक्टर क्या बन रहा है मैंने वो कंसोल इसलिए लिखा था वो मैंने डिबग करने के लिए लिखा था कैसे मैंने डिबग किया चलो वो भी बताता हूँ हाउ डू आई डिबग फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई चेक इज माई कैरेक्टर इज properly is I am able to access the character properly or not. Okay. Then I write second two lines. Okay. Then I write second two lines, and then again I check is if working properly or not, and is properly working or not, and then I write my logic. Okay. That's why in small programs also you can use your console for a debug. Okay. Or checking whether it is you are on the correct track or not. Sometimes हम कभी कभी क्या करते हैं हम 10 50 100 लाइन लिख लेते हैं बट ऐसा होता है कि वो चलता ही नहीं तो हर दो तीन लाइन चार लाइन पांच लाइन में अपने लॉजिक को करेक्ट ट्रैक पर है या नहीं है इज इट ऑन करेक्ट ट्रैक और नॉट यू नीड टू राइट console or anything other debugging but console is a easiest and most popular used method okay ओके रिजल्ट का अनडिफाइंड क्यों दिया है ओके ओके सो हमें क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आया सिंपल हमने क्या किया है किसी को समझ में नहीं आया मतलब ठीक है हम फिर से रिपीट करते हैं ठीक है तो ऑब्जेक्ट के बारे में किस किस को पता है पहले ये ऑब्जेक्ट मैं अभी रिकॉर्डिंग पॉज कर देता हूँ ठीक है बिकॉज हमें जरूरत ओके व्हाट आई डिड हियर I'm just using the object power or I'm using the object power I'm trying to access not updating did you notice I try to access result of character what is a character it's a str of I str of I means zeroth index str of I means str of 1 okay sorry str of 1 zeroth index is r that means inside that character what we have r okay r and I'm trying to result of r Try to access result of R. Okay. Try to access result of R, and which is definitely will throw me undefined because inside the result we don't have anything. Correct, correct, correct. Again, 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 again. Let's just try run. Let's just try run. What we have, what we have, what we have, str. Okay, str of I. Okay. First of all, understand we write indexes 0. It will start from 0 till it will run till the length. Okay, that one thing here. And str of I, what is we have str? What we have str of I means each characters, each characters, each character. Correct, correct. Okay, so till this line we know what we are doing. Everyone, yes, no, yes, no. Then we will proceed. Till this line, everyone understand what we are doing. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's come with this line. Okay, let's come on this line. What we did here, result of character, result of character. I didn't write this thing. I didn't write inside the curly string because it itself a character, itself a string. Okay, it's itself a string. Inside that character we have string. What it is? It's R. Okay, in a string format. In a string format. That's why I return. That's why I return. That's why I return. Okay, okay, okay. Here, here, where it is here, 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 here. What we are going to see? What we are going to see? Result of character. What is the result of character? Means result. Sorry. What we are going to see? Result. Okay. Sorry. Result of character. Of character. And what is R? It's look like that. Under the hood, it's look like that. Okay. It's look like that. Okay. Is this correct? Is it correct? For the zeroth index? For the zeroth index. For the zeroth index. It will look like that. Correct? Anyone have any doubt for line number 38? Line number 38. Anyone have any doubt for line number 38? No, 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 no. Because you are trying to access and it should be undefined. Correct, 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 correct. Why we write here? Why we write here? Okay, I'll tell you why we return. Okay, undefined. If it's undefined, if it's undefined, then updating. Did you see? I just write the updating method. Did you see? I just write the updating method here. Updating method here. And what update methods call says? Update method says if you try to update and it is not present, will create one. It create new one. It create new one. And then what is the result of character? What is the result of character? It's R. Result of character is R. Correct? Result of character is R. But it's not present, so it will create this. It will create this. Correct? It will create this. Correct? For iteration 2, for iteration 1, A. It will create A1. For iteration 3, N. It will create N. Okay. For iteration D, it will create D. Okay. For iteration O, it will create O. Okay. Then M, it will create M. Okay. And then S, it will create S. Okay. Not repeating anything. Okay. Let's just write one. Okay. Then again, let's just, sorry, let's just separation. Okay. Let's just write the separation. Okay. Just, okay. Then again, S, then T, then it will become T, T1. Then again, R. Then when it's R, when it's come for the R, when it's come for the R, is it going to create new one? Is it going to create new one? Is it going to create new one? Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Is it going to create new one? It should be smaller. Okay, is it going to create new one? Yes, no. Is it going to create new one for the R? No, 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 no. Exactly, exactly, exactly. It will not going to create new one. And it's present. And it's present. And it's present. Sorry guys, I didn't go with the proper way. But you can see this if condition will get false when R occurred when we are on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like on 7, when I equals to 7, when I equals to 7, when I equals to 7, we will on this R, we will on this R. Okay, we will on this R. So here, what we see, this if condition get false, this empty condition get false because it's not undefined, it's present there. It's not undefined. It's present there. Okay. So that's why we'll go to the else block, because it's present there. It's not undefined. This it's not undefined because it's present, because we are checking is it present or not. Did you see? If condition is all about checking. It's checking if it's present inside your object or not. If it's not, then create one. And if it's present, like else it's present, okay, else it's present, it will just add plus plus, just add plus plus. So r is 1, r value is 1, and then it will add plus plus. That means it will update for the 2. It will update for the 2. Now everyone get it. Now everyone get it or not? Everyone, did you get it or not? Get it or not? Still get it or not? Rushti, yes, 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 yes. Guys, it looks so easy. I'll bet you it looks so easy. But while updating, you will stuck here in this line number 38, line number 38 and line number 37. You will stuck here. Definitely, you will stuck here once, only once. And once you get master in this program, you can solve like uh, minimum 10 to 30 problems, which is similar to this. If someone asks you, just find the repeat unique. If someone asks you, just find the repeated, or someone asks you, just give me like anything which is about the recursion, frequency, anything. Okay, and we have hundreds of problem on frequency. Either it is a character, either it is words, either it is phrase, or anything. If someone asks you the count the spaces and its frequency, okay, that was easy. But if you using object, interviewer get impressed with you. Okay, number of people just go with the, what we say, nested for loop. Okay, we start with the nested for loop. If you remember at the starting, we start with the nested for loop. It's not a proper method to write a nested for loop. Avoid writing nested for loop. Okay, okay, okay. Did you understand this problem? Okay, this is also this is a advanced and most asked question. Okay, okay, okay. So let's just dry run again. Let's just dry run again. Okay, just be with me. We will just going to dry run once. Okay, and then we will finish our class. Okay, okay, okay. Everyone have this. Okay, okay. So what we'll do? Line number 31. Line number 31. What will happen? What will happen in line number 31? What will happen? Okay, what will happen? Line number 31. JavaScript come, create a str, then inside that str store this string. Okay, then what we did, we just converted into lowercase. Why do we converted it to the lowercase? We convert it to lowercase? Because we want to handle the case sensitive thing. Okay, case sensitive thing, because we have to handle the case sensitive thing. Okay, that's why. And then I write the string console, because I wanted to saw what is our current string. Then I created new object, because everything we are going to store inside the object, and we are using the power of object. That's why I created the object. Then for loop. Then for loop. Then inside that for loop, what happened? I equals to 0. I equals to 0. That means str of 0, and str of 0 means r. Str means r, because we converted this r into small. This r into small. Correct? Correct? Okay. For the r, then what I write here? Then character. That means I just store inside that character, I store str of str of 0, because I value is 0. Okay, that means I stored r. That means I stored r. That means I just erasing everything. I just erasing this everything, and I can directly write. I have r. Sorry, I have character inside that r. Correct, 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 because I is 0. Correct. Then if condition, what is if condition? Checking result of character means inside that object, inside that object, do we have r? Do we have r? Do we have r? Do we have r? Do we have? No, we don't have. That why it will throw. That why it will throw undefined. That will throw undefined, and our condition get true. Our condition get true. Our condition will get true. Did you see? this condition will get true. Which one? Each one. This one. This one. I already written. I already written. Did you see? Did you see? When it get true, get inside, get inside, get inside, and inside that result, I I just create result here. Result equals to object. Okay. Inside that result, we will create one r of one. It will get created one r of one. Correct. Correct. R of one. Okay. Comma separated. Okay. Then it will come. Then it will come here. Else get ignored because if one of them if else get executed, then it will get come back to the for loop. Come back to the for loop. Okay. Did you understand the sequence? Did you know the sequence? Did you know the sequence of for loop execution? Okay. Okay. Sequence is 1, 2, 3, body 3, and increment decrement 4. Okay. Okay. Then fourth step is increment decrement. Again, I get plus plus. I get plus plus 9. I value is 1, and str of 1. Str of 1 is a. Okay. Then character equals to a. Sorry, character equals to a. Okay. And then I'm trying to access a. I try to access a. Is it inside a result or not? Is it inside that r, inside that object, inside that object? Is a present? Is a present? No. No, that's why it will throw undefined. And our condition get true. Our condition get true. Line number 38. Correct? Condition get true. It will get true. It will get true. And then inside that we will got new updation method, which is result of character. What is the character? Is a. Means it will return like that. It will be like that. It will be like that. Result of a equals to 1. So it get created because we don't have that available. So that's why it is get created new one. And inside that result object, we have new entry, which is a1. Okay. Okay. Similarly, again, it will end here, for loop end here, and then step number 4, I plus plus, and now I value is, now I value is 2, I equals to 2, and str of 2, str of 2, n equals to n, and then character n, because we write this one. Okay. String of I. Okay. Okay. I just written this thing. Okay. Okay. And we can do one thing here. Just let me give me just second. Give me just a second. We can do here. What we can do here? We can do chaining. Even we can do chaining. I can write like that too. Correct? Is it correct or not? Is it valid or not? Everyone, is it valid or not? Is it valid or not? Okay. It's 100% valid. Yes, it's valid. It's valid. Okay. It's valid. Okay. Okay. We saw chaining yesterday. So hope everyone you understand this thing. Okay. We can write dot method everywhere. Okay. Okay. So just come back to our continuous execution. Okay. Okay. Then similarly I equals to 3. If I is 3, then str of 3. What is str of 3? Str of 3 is d. Correct. And inside that character have d. Correct. Character have d. This character have d. Okay. That means d is here. Okay. And we are checking result of character, like result of what is result here. Character is d. Okay. Character is d. So result of d available or not? Available or not? No, it's not. That's why it's throw undefined, and our this line get again true. And then again we created one. That means again we have new entry inside our result. What it is? A, and then sorry, it's n. Okay. Then 1. Similarly, then d, 1. Until and unless we come on that r thing. When r get repeated, when r get present, when we are on r, that means 7. Okay. If I equals to 7, and str of 7 is n. Sorry, r. Correct. That means inside that character we have r. we have R, and we are checking result of character. Result of character means result of R equals to undefined or not. No, it is not, because it's present. So our if condition get false. If condition get unfulfilled, it will go here, else. And what we return inside the else? What we return the inside else? We write result of character. That means result of character update for I plus plus. Okay. Okay. I can write like that too. Okay. I can write like that too for your understanding. For your understanding, equals to equals to I plus plus or result of character. Okay. Let it be I plus plus. Will de- define it properly. Okay. I plus plus. Okay. Okay. Okay, everyone, okay, I plus plus, and what we have inside result of R, 1, it will get plus plus, so it will get updated for a 2. It will get updated for a 2. Correct, correct, correct. Similarly, let's come for the N. Okay, when we are N, that which is I equals to 9, which is 9, I equals to 9. When the I equals to 9, so we have character, what character we have? We have character N, N, and we are tried if character of n, if character of n we already have, it will throw undefined. No, it will not, because it's present. Then it will come here and character plus plus, then n equals to 2. Similarly, again repeating, we have n, g. Okay, we have 2 g here. Okay, so let's just for n again. Okay, n is for 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, when I equals to 13, when I equals to 13, the character is n, and we try to if 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 result of n is equal to undefined or not. No, it is not, so it will get inside the else, and it get incremented, and where is n? It will get 3, it will incremented by 3, n plus plus. Okay, 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 I hope guys you understand this problem, because it's very important problem in a point of view with the DSA and interview question. Okay, 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 and it also makes your understanding of Java more what we say precise. Okay, 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 okay. Anyone have any doubt with it? Okay, anyone have any doubt with it? Okay, we don't get time to understand the recursion. Recursion also one of the most important topic for the solve the DSA problems. Okay, why I'm getting DSA problem? I understand one thing. You guys don't do it like not doing problems by yourself. You are not you try to write a console, so that's why I'm creating these problems for you. Okay, and let's just learn JavaScript by these small programs. Okay, you understand what we say what we say two concept here. What is two lowercase and result, sorry, what we say, the object related operations. Okay, okay, so thank you guys.